You really came, even in this heavy rain.
I told you, storms don't scare me, but being here with you does.
Why? Do I look dangerous?
Not dangerous, tempting, and temptation always ends badly.
Or maybe it ends exactly how we want it to.
Don't say that. You make it too hard to leave.
Then don't stay. You keep looking at my lips.
And you keep pretending not to notice. Finally.
Fine, then I'll make the first move. You taste better than I imagined.
And now, you'll never let me go, will you?
Not tonight.